Okay. Hi everyone. Welcome to this is Tech Talks, and my name is Deep. And today we have guest Hiral. Hi Hiral, how are you?
Hello everyone, I'm fine. How are you, Deep?
Yeah, I'm fine too. So today we have Hiral here for the SEO for small businesses. So let's first start with the introduction. Hiral, please introduce.
I am a full-time freelancer. I'm providing SEO and PPC services, and I am a computer engineer by degree. But after my graduation, I was doing job in IT companies, and then I always wanted to do start something by my own. So I started my
Mhm.
freelancing journey 2 years back as a full-time freelancer, and then still I'm providing services to e-commerce businesses, IT
Mhm.
businesses, management firms, and many startups. So I have worked with many clients from UK, US, and Switzerland and India as well. So till that, going through the journey.
Wow, that's nice. That's really a great journey. So yeah,
Yeah.
so let's start with some basic of SEO.
In SEO, everyone knows this term like to get
Mm-hmm.
the traffic from the Google. But what is SEO? मतलब search engine optimization. So we have to make the content and our website aware so that search engines can found it and show it to users whenever someone searches the query on the search engines like Google. So
Mm-hmm.
it is the process to make our website Google and search engine friendly. We have to make our website search engine friendly, so search engine can rank our website whenever any user searches the query.
Okay, so that's nice. So
Yeah,
that's
that's
how we
basic
rank our websites.
yeah.
Okay, that's really nice. So some giants company have their own structure, but what about some small businesses if they want to do some SEO and they want to promote their websites on
Yeah,
Google?
so first of all, I want to tell everyone that
Mm-hmm.
SEO is not required any technical knowledge. You can do SEO of your website if you're a small business owner by yourself, by knowing the basics, what to do in SEO and all the basics, and you can do by yourself. You don't need to hire any SEO expert to perform SEO for your website, right? Especially for small businesses, we if and startups, we can founders can do by themselves,
Mm-hmm.
so it will save the fund as well for
Yeah.
their company. Yeah, so in basic of there are two types of SEO: on-page SEO and off-page SEO. And for
Okay.
small businesses, they also can also do local SEO, local Google My Business SEO.
Mm-hmm.
So if anybody search and query in Google, then we all seen that there are many Google My Business pages come, local
Yeah.
shops and addresses came on map. So this is the local SEO, and we can improve and optimize that our Google My Business page and get the traffic.
Yeah.
So this is for small business
Mm-hmm.
owners.
Okay.
Local SEO and basic they need to learn.
Okay, so to process this SEO, so we require some keyword research for our products, right? So, like customer, let's say for we can take example of e-commerce. So, some of the products that small business want to promote. So, like, what are the process to do keyword research and things?
Okay. So first of all, I tell the process of keyword research, and then I will explain whole the on-page SEO process and then off-page SEO process.
Okay.
So in keyword research, what is keyword? Keyword is a query that customer fire on search engine. We have to understand the intent of the customer. Like what we have to put ourselves as the place of customers and think that what if I will search if I want these services. So there are plenty of tools available for keyword research, and one tool I want to suggest is keyword planner, Google keyword
Okay.
planner. So it's a free tool by Google. So in that we can finalize few keywords by few phrases and keywords, and we can put in keyword planner. So it gives us opportunities like what are the monthly searches for that keyword and relevant other keywords regarding our keyword. So and what are the competition, what are the bid prices and everything. So that's where we can start with keyword research. There are types of keyword like broad match keyword, exact match keyword, and phrase match keyword. In broad match keyword, say for
Mm-hmm.
example, my query is by laptop. For example, my keyword is by laptop.
Mm-hmm.
So in
Well.
phrase match, in broad match,
Mm-hmm.
it will if we select broad match keyword in keyword planner, then it shows other relevant and synonyms regarding other long tail keywords regarding my keyword. So it's a whole it's all a keyword we get reference keyword we get from our keyword. So that's broad match. In phrase match, my keyword is by laptop. So in phrase match, keyword will what can I say, it's a synonym and other
Mm-hmm.
exact my keyword remains same like by laptop. Then
Okay.
in the last part of keyword, they suggest some additional searches that
Okay.
uh, some brand name
Related to
or
this page.
yeah,
Mm-hmm.
related to some brand name, some company name, and all other some feature mentioned with that keyword. So it's a phrase match. And in exact match, it's exact match means the name itself, exact match. So it's same exact as we put at the keyword like by laptop. So these are the three types of keyword research where
Okay.
they can use. So
Mm-hmm.
for small businesses, they can use in, for example, if your website has 5 pages, 5 different services. So I would
Okay.
suggest to make the different keyword list for each page,
Okay.
right? So say for example, if you are providing service number one and you mention 10 keywords for that services, then you can use that keywords in when you draft the content of the web page, that particular service page. So
Okay.
there are more chances to rank that particular page whenever someone searches that query.
Mm-hmm.
Right. So this way, this keyword works. So we have to make different keyword as per the services, as per the
Services.
web pages.
Mm-hmm.
Not we cannot mention the same keywords in all the pages. Like my first
Right.
page web is
Mm-hmm.
website design, and my second web page is graphic design. So I cannot use website design keywords into
In
graphic
graphic.
design. I
Mm.
need to make a separate keyword list for graphic design keyword. So
So.
that's why,
Mm.
yeah,
Yeah.
tell me.
So yeah. So if we mention duplicate keyword for the two different services, so does it affect in any analysis or ranking SEO?
Yes, it affects because search engines give the result based on the keyword intent that customers search. For example, someone is searching graphic design services and you have mentioned all the keywords regarding web design services, then
Okay.
obviously your web page will not rank. Because Google will not consider its relevance with the query that user search. So
Mm-hmm.
That's where keyword works. Keyword, relate to search intent of
Okay.
users query.
Mhm. Yeah, that's good. So you talked about the tools for the keyword research that Google is providing the keyword planner. So any other tools we can use for the keyword research?
Yes. Other tool we can use is Ube Suggest,
Okay.
and the paid tools. There are paid tools like ShamRush and Ahref for
Mm-hmm.
keyword research and all SEO analysis, on-page analysis and off-page analysis. They are the great tool, but they are paid. But
They are
Google's keyword planner
mm-hmm.
is totally free, and we can use that. It gives most of the SEO people are using that tool.
Okay. Okay, perfect. So we talked about keyword research, and in earlier talk you mentioned some on-page and off-page SEO. So what are those SEO means?
So let's start with the on-page
Okay.
SEO first.
Mm-hmm.
So what for small businesses, what you want for to do SEO? So you need
Okay.
one your website with
Mm-hmm.
clear content and clear structure with clear structure and clear navigation, clear call to action buttons, proper information of your business and social media handles and everything. So that's the one thing that you basic you have to have. But
Okay.
then and yeah, this and then we start on page SEO factors. So in that, first of all, we have to check the list of the factors that are available in website. If yes, then we can go ahead, and if not, then we have to correct them, right? So first step is to install Google search console and Google analytics tool in your on
Okay.
your website. These are the free tools provided by Google, and which uses to index and crawl the website data and all the website pages. Which what is it means? It means that you have to uh, you Google will store your website's data in
Okay.
their database by
Mm-hmm.
indexing and crawling the site. And how we can do that indexing and crawling? So with the help of Google Search Console, right? So we have to install Google Search Console and Google Analytics tool. Google Analytics tool will show the all the gives all the data regarding
Mm-hmm.
how the customer's journey is, how much time they are spending on our particular web page, which country they are coming, which location they belong, which devices they are looking using, and all the data regarding user and their journey. So we can
Okay.
optimize, we can collect that data, and we can optimize our website accordingly. Say for example, if anybody comes our site and then they
Mm-hmm.
immediately within 2 seconds. So there is one term in Google Analytics which is bounce rate. So
Okay.
if anybody comes in a website and immediately left, then we have to think that why user are not staying on website.
Mm-hmm.
So we have to work in that direction to optimize our web page, to optimize our product pages and all, so they can stay and do the things, read
Okay.
the
So
website
yeah.
better.
Yeah, so by that user information we can do analysis that what user want, what are some
Hmm.
missing factor we can improve on our website to rank.
What things to optimize on our site? Our website is okay. By we
Okay.
think that website is okay, but the user
Mm-hmm.
will not think that. User will not find it attractive and useful. And then they are left the site.
Mm-hmm.
So we can optimize that why they are left the site, why they are not buying the things. They are coming. Sometimes they come, they stay on our
Mm-hmm.
web page, but they don't buy any product. They just scroll and then left. So
Okay.
we can also why they left. What are the issues in product page, in CTA, in a flow of for example, e-commerce site, then flow of the customer journey from home page to product page to checkout and all the funnel. So we
Oh,
can do optimization according to that, and we get all data in the Google Analytics tool.
yeah, that's
Yes.
nice.
Yeah, so
Yeah,
the first thing is to install the Google Analytics tool and
let.
Search Console.
Hmm.
Then we have to focus. We have to make our list of our URLs into sitemap. We have to make a list of URLs and generate the sitemap, and we have to submit that sitemap in Google Search Console. So Google can get to know that how many pages our website has, how many what are the content, what is the keywords and everything. So they can store in their database, and then
Hmm.
later they can show to the user. So this is
Okay.
the process of indexing and crawling and submitting the
Hmm.
site. The
Okay.
second thing is, another thing is,
Hmm.
we have to check every point on page SEO points. On page SEO means how Google will look our site as a technical robot. Like Google is a bot. This Google
Yeah.
search and search console has a bots which index and verify our website. Like if there are no 404 errors on our
Hmm.
website, it redirects the proper pages and everything. So the another thing is, we have to uh, go through the all the web pages and check whether they are having 404 URLs, whether they
Hmm.
are having any redirection issues. Say for example, we someone come to our site and the site
Yeah.
has 404, then it
Hmm.
doesn't make sense. So
Yeah.
Google will not show that pages. Google algorithms will decrease the ranking and will not
Okay.
show up our site walls on
Yeah.
it. So we have to
So
correct that. Yeah.
yeah, so we have to manage proper redirection on the our website, so Google
Yes.
doesn't decline. So,
Yeah, that data comes from Search Console itself. Search Console will verify our pages and it
mhm.
gives the data. Like this many page have this many issues, so we have to fix them.
Okay.
So that's the
Mhm.
all on pages here. And the other point in on page is meta titles and meta description. What are the meta titles and descriptions? So anybody searches the keyword and your website result, which one a blue headline and a
Mhm.
small description below the URL.
Yeah.
So that search result is meta description and meta keyword, meta
Mhm.
tags.
Meta text.
So yeah, so we have to how we can make the meta tags. We in meta tags we have to use our keywords. Like our keyword is web design services. Then we have to use that keywords to draft the sentences in meta tags, meta description and meta title. Right. So
Yeah.
anybody search and then directly they can read the title and they found interesting and then they click on this, right?
Ah.
So that way it works.
Mhm.
So every page has different data meta titles and everything according to the keywords. Every page has to unique some unique and it also has some CTAs like we can mention buy now or
Yeah.
reach out to us now, any
Mhm.
exciting keyword in sentences, so a user can click on them and comes to our site. So that's the thing. Then we have to check image alter text. Why it is? Because as we know, Google is algorithm. Google search works on the algorithms, and algorithms cannot read the image. They can read the name of the image. Alter text means the name that we give to that particular image. We have, for
Mhm.
example, we have banner in our service page, so we can give the name like web design service banner. So search engine algorithms can get to know that this is the service page and this is the we can also use keyword in our alter text, image alter text. So search engine can easily find our services. So to give the name to our images is image alter text. That is also important thing. The points are speed optimization. Our website should be load in if anybody clicks on the site, then website should be load in 4 to 5 seconds. That's the general statistics that
Mm-hmm.
if more than that if loads in more than that time, the user will left the site without waiting. They will obviously they will not wait
Yeah.
to load our whole site. They
Mm-hmm.
will go back and search to our competitors site, go to the other side. So
Others.
yeah, so we have to optimize the speed of the
Mm-hmm.
website, and that speed optimize. There is also one tool for to know the speed of the website, and Google Page Speed Insight, the tool by Google itself, which shows that our website is mobile friendly, and our website how it will show in desktop, what are the points we can improve in the desktop version and mobile version as well. That's the tool for speed
Mm-hmm.
optimization. And other points are covered. All the points are covered. Main thing is we have to put the proper intent on
Okay.
our web page, on our website. Like proper
Mm-hmm.
as a small businesses, people will come to us, and we have to show them that they can trust us by showing our proper details, proper content, proper name, address details, customer reviews, so they can trust the site, and they approach for services or products that we sell, right?
Yeah.
So these are the on-page SEO factors. Uh, and the other are off-page SEO. What is off-page SEO
Okay.
factors? Off-page SEO means the thing that Google algorithms that user cannot see, like me and you
Mm-hmm.
cannot see.
Okay.
General people who search on the site, they cannot see that this is the work, this is off-page SEO is done for this site or not. Only SEO people and some people can see with the help of some
Yeah.
tools. So in off-page SEO, we do the activities like link building.
Mm-hmm.
What is link building? Link building is creating the links from other websites to our sites.
Okay.
Say for example, I have a restaurant website, so
Mm-hmm.
my link comes from other blog, other listing blogs which have 10 best restaurant in India, for example. So
Mm-hmm.
my listing was there, and my website link also there. So if anybody clicks on that site, they come to my site, right? So
Yeah.
this is called link building. We have to
Mm-hmm.
generate the links from other websites. Uh, so Google considers that that site we have some authority in our website or in our business, so that
Mm-hmm.
there are the chances for high ranking in search engine. So
Search engine.
it will work for the ranking up and down to manage the ranking, to higher the ranking, to get a high rank on search engine. So link building works well. There are many ways to do the link building, like sharing the links on social media. Some guest blogging, like guest blogging means we are putting our blog to another someone other
Someone
people's
else.
site, and getting the link back to our site. So guest blogging, commenting on others' blogs,
Mm-hmm.
some forums and questionnaire site like Quora. We can answer the question and mention our website or blog link in between our answer. So
Mm-hmm.
that's the link, one of the ways to build the link. And yeah, so these are the off-page SEO activities.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
And On page SEO, we can do that once. Like once we done with all on page SEO activities, then we have to rest. But in off page SEO, we have to continuously do off page. Generate the link
And
and check the link whether they are trolled or not and everything. So it's a continuous process.
it's continuous process to rank our website on top.
Yeah, because if we stop, then our competitors will get
Mhm.
higher rank. Then
Higher
we
ranking.
automatically get down. So that's the point.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Google is providing the business profile, right? So, like,
Yeah,
how to optimize our Google business profile for the local SEO?
Google My Business profile is very much important for local businesses. Say for example, you are having a hotel or a
Mhm.
restaurant. So if anybody searches that restaurant near Delhi. So
Mhm.
if you have a restaurant in Delhi and anybody search that restaurants in Delhi, so you have higher chances to show your website and your details to that person. And how we can show that? We can show it through Google My Business profile.
Okay.
And for small and local businesses, Google My Business profile is very much important. And how we can optimize that? So we can optimize it with the list keyword. We have to put proper our details like name, address, and our description, business description, and
I think we have some internet glitch here. Let's wait for 2 minutes here. I think we have internet issue on Hiral side. Please. Uh, Sorry everyone, Hero will join soon. Just wait for 2 more minutes.
oh, there are some internet issue, or I don't know. Suddenly it stopped. I cannot hear your voice. Your mic is off.
Sorry. Yeah. So
Yeah.
okay. So we are talking about the business my profile for the local SEO. So,
Yeah. So how we can optimize our profile? We can add proper name, address details,
mhm.
and we can add proper content with the proper keywords. Also, we can show our services in Google My Business profile,
Okay.
our catalogs. If we have a
Mhm.
product, then we can also show our catalogs in the Google My Business profile. So anybody searches the keyword, then our
Mhm.
catalog automatically show in the Google. It is the one of the way to optimize and show our product, to directly show our product to customers. Then we can add reviews. We can add more and more reviews. So uh,
Mm-hmm.
we can gain the trust of the customers. We have to reply, and encourage the customer to give more reviews, genuine reviews. So
Mm-hmm.
any user can trust us among the all competitors. And we can do any we can post daily post as well, like social
Mm-hmm.
media on Google My Business profile.
Okay.
Uh, we can update our daily timings, or if we have some holiday hours, then we can
Mm-hmm.
update each Google My Business. So uh, customers can know that how much time our restaurant is open, or which days they are off, and all everything. And it will very helpful to continuously optimize our platform, our Google My Business profile, to get better
Next.
ranking,
Mm-hmm.
better. It also shows our Google My Business profile shows the reports as well, like how many customers are searching, how many customers we get per month, how many visitors, how many calls we get, how many DM. There is one option as well to generate the DM, to get the DM directly from Google My Business. So anybody have
Mm-hmm.
any question, and they directly contact us without any call or email address,
Yeah.
and then directly put in the Google My Business section, and we can answer them directly.
Yeah. So that is
And
very nice feature.
other thing we can also
Mm.
mention photos. We can regularly update the photos in Google My Business profile, so customer can get to know that we are not all one profile. We are continuously improving our effort, and doing the efforts to improve the
Mhm.
Google My Business profile. So
Yeah. So
that's
that's yeah. So that is very nice tool from the Google to rank our business in our local area. So yeah, that is really nice. So we are about to end the session. So if you anything want to, if you want anything, if you want to promote anything.
sorry, I can get you.
So if you want to promote anything from your side, like.
Yeah, I am a freelancer, so
Mhm.
if anyone have any requirement
Yeah.
regarding paid marketing, I also do paid marketing in Google and run ads on Google. There are
Mhm.
various types. Let me just give a little bit about
Yeah.
Google AdWords as well, so
Okay.
people can understand what it is. So Google AdWords is a tool in which we can do ads. We can run ads on the Google platform,
Mhm.
and there are types of Google ads like shopping ads, search ads, display ads, and YouTube ads, and
Okay.
download ads, app download ads, and
Mhm.
etc. So these are the different kind of provided ad facilities provided by the Google AdWords, and I do that to market my customers' business
Mhm. Yeah.
online. And
Yeah.
I also do SEO. I also provide SEO services to organically get traffic
Mhm.
to the site, and expand the business of my customer.
Yeah. Okay.
So these are the two things. So anybody have any help or any requirement, then they can reach out to me. I'll
Okay.
share my social media profile with here, so anybody can reach out to me.
Yeah, so that's nice. So if you want any SEO help or digital marketing help, please reach out to Hiral.
Yeah,
So yeah, so yeah, so this is end of the session here. Goodbye, everyone. We'll see you in next episode.
yeah. Goodbye,
Yeah.
everyone.
Bye.
Great to be here. Bye.
Yeah.